Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. Give
Welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. It's night now and it's a lot of mosquito. There's no more rain, as you can see there. You know, once it's rainy season here, there's another problem is the mosquito. You know, because we got some other subscribers saying how's the mosquito in the Philippines, you know. So far it's just really bad when it's really when it's raining, you know, when there's rainy season, the mosquito is really bad, but we have some spray for mosquito. So that's another thing. Like here, it's been raining the whole I think it started around 9 and finished around 4, something like that, because at Terence and I just after Terence went to Talibon for for the pickup truck tire. I think he came home around 2 and then we sleep until 5, you know, so just because it's raining, so it feels good to sleep and it's not hot, you know. So here, mosquito over here. Yeah, supposedly also today we're going to check about the electrical connections of the 5 kids, because the electricians already got finished it. So since it's been raining, we didn't go there. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a clip that it's already done. So the father will just go and attend the seminar for the electric company, which is part of the requirements, and then after, for I think over a week or something like that, they will be having power connection, right? So just that an update. It feels good to be in the rainy season, you know. It just happened, it's not fun on the road. You know, because what our problem here is also the road, which is very very tricky when it's muddy, you know, because it's like a clay. Yeah, so again, please like, comment and subscribe. I'm still looking for rider. I'm still looking for where's our dog.